can you like tell us a bit about how the first show went down and how what the audience can kind of expect from Mack&Mable?
Yeah, we've been really lucky with our audience this year. Everyone's been really excited about the show. I think it's not a musical that many people know necessarily, but the music is Jerry Herman, which is like classical music theater, you know, like that's it. So you're getting that classic music theater sound, but with comedy elements and great choreography and hopefully some heart-wrenching emotional scenes.
Definitely.
So we're trying to balance all of that.
Yeah, how was it working with Spy Monkey?
Oh, they were amazing. It was like a completely different type of brain that you have to use for comedy than you're using in any regular acting scenes or music. So you're just juggling sort of. At first it was like I'm sorry, I can't do that yet. But once we got it all under our belt, it was awesome. They were so wonderful to have around.
Yeah, like the physical theatre was just amazing and hilarious.
Thank you.
Yeah. Do you know anything about like Cardiff or coming to Wales?
No, I don't know anything, but everyone has told me that it's beautiful, so I can't wait. I can't wait to visit.
As long as it's not raining.
But it seems to happen a lot here.
No, it'll be fine. So have you heard anything about the Millennium Centre itself?
I've heard that it's beautiful, but again, I don't really know much about it.
You'll see when you get there, it's a really impressive building. It's actually the second biggest theatre in the UK.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's quite new, it's about 10 years old.
Oh, awesome.
So, like, the facilities are amazing, like, all the artists always love their stay with us, so it's something to look forward to.
Oh, absolutely, that's great. That's like the light at the end of the tunnel.
And, like, what would you say, I don't know, is your favourite thing about Mack&Mable, about this particular production?
I think what we were talking about earlier in terms of the juggling, it's really a special show that you get to do so many things and wear so many hats, and you know, it's always the traditional like triple threat musical theater thing of singing, dancing, acting, but
it really is.
In this show there's the quadruple threat of the comedy, and I think that's a really fun element that
really is.
you don't get to do all the time.
Yeah, because I felt like I was so engaged the whole way through, and I think it's because that kind of multi-dimensional.
Right, there's always something going on.
Yeah, completely. No, I was really impressed, and like, what did you think of the costumes? Because I absolutely.
Oh my gosh, it's like a dream. It's like playing dress up sometimes, you know. Like it's really fun for me too, especially because I start as the girl from the deli, so it's like, oh, here I am, and you know, sort of dumpy dress, and then once I get to the Hollywood glamour in Act 2, it's it's amazing.
Rags to riches. What's it been like to work with Michael Ball? I mean, I know he's such a legend in musical theatre.
Yeah, of course he is. I think that I have been definitely blessed with not knowing about him as much as everyone here does. Because I think it would be so intimidating. You know, the things that I've learned over time, having already worked with him, have been like, oh my god. And I'm so actually glad that I didn't know too much at the start, because it allowed us to have a really good rapport and not feel, you know, not let me feel intimidated, because part of the huge thing in the show and in our work relationship is that I have to be able to stand up to him and give him as much as he's giving me. So it gave me a lot more backbone.
Looking more at the character of Mabel, like, did you kind of come across any particular challenges in trying to like capture, you know, any aspects of her character?
Yeah, I think one of the big challenges of doing a musical based on real people is that you want to sort of pay tribute to that person without trying to make a deliberate copy of them, and it's a little bit easier in this case because, you know, we have all the films that she did, but we don't have that much information about, you know, we have her biography, we have her films, but we don't see her in her life in films, you know what I mean? We just see this actress version of herself. So the rest of the off-camera stuff I get to make up a little bit, which is really nice.
Yeah, definitely. And like, how do you kind of maintain that energy, like, on this kind of, you know, epic tour that you guys are on? Energy is
the biggest thing, because it really is like, I feel like I could sleep 10 hours a night and still like I would be like, okay, here we go. It's a huge mountain to climb every night for both me and Michael. Both of us have so much to do, and neither of us get any breaks during the show. You know, it's once you start, you're on stage, all the quick changes, everything. You know, we don't go back to our dressing rooms except for at the interval and at the end of the show. So it really is
that's
you know, a marathon that we're doing. But I think we were very good about supporting each other in that, and knowing, you know, we always check in before the show, and we're like, you know, I got you, you got me, we're good. Anything that goes wrong, anything that happens, we're here.
Yeah, it's amazing. Wow. Good luck with it all.
Thank you very much.
It was absolutely amazing. I can't wait for it to come back to Millennium.
Oh, thank you. We're excited to see it.
Yeah, I think I'm going to be in the audience every night.
Oh, perfect.